Elon Musk rallies Tesla's troops to pursue another record quarter in leaked email. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing. And now let's get back to today's story. So a leaked email from Tesla CEO Elon Musk to the company's employees has indicated that the electric car maker may have a solid shot at achieving a record number of vehicle deliveries in the third quarter of 2020. To accomplish this, however, Tesla would need to really dig deep and work hard to reach its targets. Musk's leaked email appears to be directed specifically to employees at the Fremont factory, with the message focusing on the importance of deliveries to the California market. The Tesla CEO's rallying cry could very well be effective, as recent drone flyovers of the Fremont plant have shown numerous vehicles being prepared for deliveries. Musk wrote, "We have a shot at record quarter for deliveries, but we'll have to rally hard to achieve it. This is the most number of vehicles per day that we would ever had to deliver. Please consider vehicle deliveries to be the absolute top priority. It's also extremely important that we keep factory output as high as possible over the remaining 10 days. This is vital for the California market." Tesla's end-of-quarter delivery and production initiatives have been pretty common for the electric car maker. Over the years, there have been times when the company ends up handing over about 30% of its total vehicle deliveries in the final weeks of a quarter. That being said, it appears that Tesla may be in somewhat better footing this third quarter. Part of this is due to the contributions of Gigafactory Shanghai, which has been firing on all cylinders since the beginning of the quarter. Similar to drone flyovers of the Fremont factory, aerial footage from the Shanghai-based site show the massive factory's lots filling up with made-in-China Model 3s. Reports have also indicated that Giga Shanghai will be halting its Model 3 production in the Phase 1 zone for 10 days starting October 1st, potentially to transition its facilities for the introduction of the all-electric sedans, much rumored LFP batteries. Despite the pandemic, Tesla has kept its original forecast for vehicle deliveries in 2020, with the company looking to deliver 500,000 cars by the end of the year. Considering that the company only delivered 88,496 vehicles in Q1 and 90,891 cars in Q2, Tesla would have to deliver north of 140,000 vehicles in the third quarter to get a clear shot at 500,000 deliveries. And even if Tesla hits more than 140,000 cars in Q3 2020, the company would have to deliver about 180,000 vehicles in the fourth quarter to hit its goal. Tesla delivery analyst Troy Teslaik, whose estimates were 98.6% accurate in the second quarter, currently expects the electric car maker to deliver about 144,000 vehicles in Q3 2020. If Tesla could achieve this, then the company's seemingly far-fetched goal of delivering 500,000 electric cars in the middle of a literal pandemic may end up being quite feasible after all.